Welcome to session 2 of lesson Our Friends, Animals. In this session we are going to do exercises in the textbook. Do you or any of your neighbors have a pet? Which one?
Yes, I have a dog by name Tommy as a pet. My neighbor has a cat as a pet. Her name is Sweetie.
What name have you given to your pet?
My dog's name is Tommy.
What do you do when your pet is hungry, feeling hot or cold, teased by someone, or is hurt?
When he is hungry, I give him biscuits. When he is feeling hot or cold, I get him into my room and keep him warm. When teased by someone, I take him away and pat him. When he is hurt, I take him to a veterinary doctor and look after him.
We keep some pet animals at home. We look after them too. In the table below are the names of some such animals. Complete the table.
We love dogs. It also keeps a watch on the house when we are not around. Second one is cow, which gives us milk. Third is horse, used to pull cart. Next row is ox. Ox helps us in plowing the field. Hen gives us egg. Colorful fish in aquarium looks beautiful. We keep cats because we love it. It also eats rats in the house. The last one is honeybee. Honeybee gives honey.
Write the names of the animals in each category.
Most of the pets can be touched. I have touched dog, cat, cow, and rabbit. I have not touched goat, hen, horse, and pig. I think they can be touched. Tiger, lion, cheetah and snake are wild animals. I cannot touch them.
That's right. We do not go near some animals for fear that they may bite us, harm us or eat us up. You have seen that there are some animals whom we can touch. These often live in our houses or around us. Of these, a few animals help us in many ways. Like us, animals also need water to live. There are many other things which are required by both animals and humans. Write the names of 3 such things.
Both animals and humans need food, clean environment or habitat to stay, and pollution-free air to breathe.
Yes, both animals and humans need food to survive. You know that we eat a variety of food. Similarly, animals too eat different kinds of food. Habitat is the place to stay that provides shelter to animals. Many of the wild animals need forest to stay, which is their habitat. All of us need clean air to breathe as well. Have you ever fed any animal or seen anyone else feeding any animal? If yes, then fill in the table.
Oh yes, I have fed several of them. I feed cookies to dogs. A bowl of milk to cat, next door. I gave rice with jaggery to a cow. I have given banana to monkey. Also I put grains in front of our house for pigeons.
Fantastic. As you can see, mostly you have fed either pets or domestic animals. Also you feed them with food items available at home. Do you have these names in your list? Find out what these animals eat.
Oh, I had only monkey from this list. These are not domestic animals and we don't usually feed them. After some search I found the food eaten by these animals. Here is the result. Rat eats grains. Cockroach eats dead meat and sweet. Pigs eats vegetables, insects, and fish. Bat eats fruits and seeds. Crow eats insects and dead meat. Squirrel eats fruit, berries, vegetables, nuts and bugs. Monkey eats fruits, seeds and honey. Spider eats insects. Lizard eats insects and fruits.
Very well done. Think, has any animal ever eaten your food against your will? How?
Oh, many times we find food kept for long is eaten by insects and cockroaches. Once I went to a picnic. Monkey came and grabbed my cookies.
We learnt in this session how animals also need water, food and habitat just like us. With this we have come to the end of session 2 of lesson Our Friends, Animals.